Hi everyone. With the CFA exams now approaching in August, we've created this video series covering the tips and tricks for a CFA Level 1 candidate appearing for the Level 1 exam either in August or in November. We've done a morning session video. If you haven't checked that out, please have a look at that, where we've covered the first 4 subjects, that's FSA, Eco, Quants and Ethics. Starting with the afternoon session for the CFA Level 1 exam, the first subject is Alternative Investments, which has a weightage of 5 to 8%. Now, AI generally is a very fairly straightforward subject. There's about 30 pages to study, about 50-60 odd questions to practice. A lot of people don't pay heed to AI. My advice or our advice would be nail AI. It's about 9 to 14 questions in the exam. It's straightforward, 9 to 14 marks. Nothing difficult, nothing complex, no new concept, very straightforward, very easy. It adds a great chance. It acts like a booster to your grade to pass the CFA Level 1 exam. Do not ignore AI. It's also a great confidence booster because the minute you finish AI, you realize you've done 1 out of 10 subjects. Second subject that we want to cover today is corporate issuers, that covers a weightage of 8 to 12%. Now, corporate issuers covers concepts of corporate governance and as well as financial management. So topics such as NPV and IRR are also covered. But how should a company be run in terms of what board, what a company comprises of, a 1-tier board structure, a 2-tier board structure, all of that is also covered in corporate issuers. A lot of people mistaken corporate issues to be a very theoretical subject, where it's not. It can also has aspects of practicality when it comes to financial management, but also a theoretical aspect when it comes to corporate governance as well. When it comes to derivatives, which holds a weightage of 5 to 8%. Now, derivatives in level 1 is just simply 2 readings. But the catch is these 2 readings are fairly complex. So the first thing that you should know is you have to dedicate a lot of time for derivatives to ensure your concepts are cleared. A lot of formulas are involved in derivatives, and derivatives in level 2 can get very, very heavy. So to ensure that you are comfortable doing derivatives in level 2, please ensure in level 1 you've understood the concepts of derivatives, you've not rote learned anything, you've not skipped any topic. Derivatives forms a huge part of the CFA curriculum when you move on to level 2 and level 3. The fourth subject that we'd like to cover for today's video and of the afternoon session is equity, which holds a weightage of 10 to 12%. Now, equity is a very common, very easy subject that everyone looks forward to. Equity covers everything you need to know about the equity markets. What is a buy order, what is a sell order, what are the various kind of markets, what are the market hypothesis, what is valuation. Very, very simple, very straightforward, a bit of calculations when it comes to the different kind of markets involved, but very simply theoretical. Everyone's favorite concept of valuation is also covered in equity. Give certain time to equity, ensure that you're enjoying the subject, you've understood the concepts, and ensure you're not skipping any module or topic when it comes to equity. The penultimate subject that we'd like to cover for the afternoon session and for today's video is fixed income, which also holds a weightage of 10 to 12%. Now, fixed income very simply covers a lot of concepts such as yield to maturity, a lot of characteristics about debt securities, how do their markets work. Generally, fixed income is considered to be one of the tougher subjects of level 1. Again, about 6 to 7 readings, people aren't very comfortable. Ensure again you're dedicating the required time for fixed income. You're studying, especially Y2M concepts very, very clearly. You're comfortable with the formula, and again, don't spend your time learning a formula. Instead, try to understand the rationale behind the formula. If you're comfortable understanding that, when there's a tweak in the question, you'll also be able to tweak the formula instead of rote learning a second formula. So this is applicable to all your formulas across the CFA Level 1 exam. Don't rote learn a formula, try and understand the rationale behind it. The last subject that we'd like to cover today is portfolio management and wealth planning, which holds a weightage of 5 to 8%. Now, PMWP has about 8 readings but a weightage of 5 to 8%. Do not ignore PMWP because in level 2 and level 3 the weightage increases. As a matter of fact, in level 3, the PMWP weightage goes up to 40 to 45% just in level 3. So close to 50% of your paper is PMWP. Ensure your concepts of technical analysis, understanding how to read a chart, what are candles are clear. Very simple, very straightforward. If you're a market guy, if you invest in the markets, if you understand how technical analysis works, then PMWP should be something of your interest. Again, with fixed income considered to be one of the tougher subjects, but as a matter of fact, please ensure that you've completed quantitative methods before you attempt PMWP and fixed income because of the overlapping concepts that are there, such as CAPM. So yes guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Like I said, if you haven't seen the morning session video, please have a look at it. We've covered the first 4 subjects over there. If you have any doubts, particular doubts, any decision to make with what subject to study, any confusion about CFA, please drop a comment. We'll be more than happy to help you out. If there are any other videos that you'd like us to do, drop a comment. Again, we'll be more than happy to do a video for you. Thank you.